Hello, my friends. This is Rusty Waller from the Teaching and Learning Center at American University in Ras Al Khaimah in the United Arab Emirates. We continue our journey examining probability in Module 1 by examining a second example on conditional probability. If you will recall again, conditional probability is the condition that one thing happens based on the prior occurrence of another thing happening. What is the probability that starting with a given collection of animals, of first selecting a camel, then choosing a camel wearing a blue saddle? Now, we will define in this the universe, and you see here's the universal symbol, the universe of all of these animals. What is the probability of A given B, where B is equal to camels and A is a camel with a blue saddle? If you look through this list of animals, we have tortoises, we have aardvarks, we have bears, we have raccoons, we have camels, and we have camels with blue saddles. So we're looking at a probability of first selecting a camel at random out of this set, and then after we have selected a camel, the probability that the camel will have a blue saddle. Let's start off first of all by collecting all of our camels into set B. B again is the set of all camels. Look at all the camels that we have here. Now, A is the subset of camels with blue saddles. So we have the set of all, B, all the set of all camels, and then we have A, the set of camels with blue saddles, and A intersect B turns out, of course, to be these three camels. Now, if we start out with the first theory of conditional probability, the probability of A given B is the number in A intersect B divided by the number in B. You'll examine the picture to see in B we have 12 camels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the number in B is 12. We have an A intersect B, 3 camels that have blue saddles. So the probability for the number in A intersect B divided by the number in B is 3 over 12 or 0.2500 or 25%. Very easy to calculate. Now, the other formula is that we take the probability of A intersect B rather than the number in A intersect B and divide it by the probability of B. So let's start out. What is the probability of B? Well, out of the entire collection of 26 animals in the universe, there are 12 that are camels, so the probability of selecting a camel is 12 out of 26. The probability of selecting a camel with a blue saddle out of the entire universe is 3 out of 26, so we would plug that into the formula. The probability of A intersect B is 3 out of 26. The probability of B is 12 out of 26. So 3 over 26 divided by 12 over 26 turns out again to be 0.2500 or 25%. So we really have a very good way of doing this with pictures. We looked at it, we analyzed it, and the two formulas take us to exactly the same place. The probability of selecting a camel with a blue saddle, given that we've selected a camel, is 25%. Again, I want to thank you very much for your support. I appreciate you watching these videos. I hope that you find them useful. May the odds be ever in your favor as you journey towards the first exam. Have a good day.